Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be sharing with you this wig from Asteria. Now, I didn't already pre-style this hair, you guys. Here is the construction though. So it comes with two combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. This is a 13 by 4 kinky curly texture. And I went ahead and I twisted, like I did a twist out on the back. And then I styled the front, basically giving me like two little what the fuck is it called? Space buns, not I got a brain for it. But I left two pieces out in the front. I wasn't really feeling that. So when I was applying the wig and, you know, I decided that I was just gonna brush that up into the ponytail. But y'all, I really love the way this style came out. Y'all let me know what y'all think. As far as what I did to the wig when it came. So the hairline did come pre-plucked and the knots did not come bleached. So I went in and I bleached the knots and I also plucked a little of the hairline, but the pluckage game on this one was not bad at all. So you really don't have to do too much plucking, but I still went in and plucked it. And then also, because this is like a kinky curly wig, I thought that where the lace was going to be, it was going to, like, the hair on the lace was going to be thick, but it's actually not. So because the hair is just like a good density on a lace, I feel like it just lays so much better and it just looks more natural to me. But overall, I really do not have any complaints. I actually really like this wig. Y'all, let me tell you something. First off, I'm so sorry, but your girl wore this wig for almost, how long was I wearing this wig? Almost a week. When I tell you, I received so many compliments on this wig, and I don't know if it was the style itself. Probably was the style, and just the fact that when I tell you the lace melts like honey, it looked like my hair. The whole style, the curls, everything was given. Also, if you're wondering what I put, like what products I use as far as the back, I didn't use any products, you guys. The only thing I used was conditioner and water. I wish I did have products to like set the twist, but I didn't. But y'all, yeah, I was feeling myself with this wig. It was like wherever I went, I was getting compliments on this hair. So I could appreciate that because I'm like, yes, okay, like I'm doing something right. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you are interested in this wig, links and details will be listed in my description box. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below.